Welcome to my kitchen at the Fig Tree Restaurant. Hi, this is Zainab, and today I'll be doing a few recipes for Cooking with Sunday. It's the first episode of this series. Welcome to my kitchen at the Fig Tree Restaurant. Let's begin. So today we're going to be doing 3 recipes. They're very simple to make and they are especially designed for when you are in a rush and you have to make some fancy meal, but it is easy to cook. So the first one we're going to do is chicken coated in pistachio. The second one is going to be a corn salad. And the third one is going to be baked aubergine with cheese. This chicken has been marinating in buttermilk, oregano, salt, and a little bit of thyme. And it has been marinating for about an hour. And this is crushed pistachio. This is some corn flour. We're going to be using breadcrumbs and some Parmesan cheese to add a little extra to the recipe. So we're going to start by making a mix of breadcrumbs. And we're going to mix some pistachio with it. So we're going to crack an egg open. Maybe we'll need another one. So a little tip I'd like to give, whenever I'm whisking eggs, and especially when I'm making desserts, I use a plastic or rubber whisk. Otherwise, the metal taste can come into the food. So this is done. I can't even remember, honestly. I must have been 5 or 6, and I used to cook with my grandmother and my nanny, my mother, because that was a time when I could hang out with them all alone without other children stealing my thunder. So I started cooking. I learned how to make homemade butter. That was one of the first recipes that I learned. I learned how to make makai ki roti, Peshawar style. I learned how to make ghee. Then as I grew older, my mother was a very good chef. She used to cook all kinds of European food, Spanish food, French food. So I learned those from her, and that was my me time with my mother. And of course, when she passed away when I was very young, I continued cooking because I felt this is something that keeps me connected to her. So this is my story, and my restaurant and all my work is basically just, it is absolutely. So I took some buttermilk and I added some salt, oregano and thyme into it. You can use whatever you like. You can add paprika, you can even add desi, garam masala. It depends on what taste you like. You don't have to restrict yourself. Go with your instinct. I don't believe in making recipes that are so complicated that you need specific things for it. आप कुछ भी बना सकते हैं, किसी चीज़ को कैसे भी अपने स्टाइल से आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो कभी भी ये मत सोचें कि यूरोपियन खाना बनाना इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, आपको एग्जैक्टली ये करना चाहिए. आप थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, आपको समझ आ जाएगी कि आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं खाने के साथ. सो ये मैरिनेटेड, मैं इस मैरिनेट लेके फिर I will add some corn flour. Then I will dip it into the egg mix. And finally, the last step is to coat it in the pistachio and crumbs. And that's pretty much it. And then we'll fry it in some oil. One very important tip जो लोग भूल जाते हैं करना, कि जब भी चिकन आपने फ्राई करना होता है या इसको ग्रिल भी करना होता है, आप चिकन का थिन स्लाइस लें, चिकन फिले, और उसको पाउंड करना होता है so that it's thin and it doesn't, otherwise you'll have to cook it for so long कि उसका moisture सारा ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So that is a very important टिप, कभी भी मोटा चिकन का पीस नहीं। आपका दिल करे तो आप उसको you can use it with the bone, but with the bone then the cooking gets a bit it does get risky because अंदर से कच्चा रह सकता है। So the chicken is ready now and we're going to put it on the grill. So it's a hot grill. चिकन और किसी भी तरह के मीट को ठंडे ग्रिल या पैन पे नहीं पकाते, अदरवाइज उसका मॉइस्चर निकल जाता है। दिस वे व्हेन यू पुट इट ऑन अ वेरी हॉट ग्रिल और पैन, आप इसको पैन पे भी बना सकते हैं क्योंकि मेरा प्रोफेशनल किचन है, मेरे पास है ग्रिल, सो आई विल बी यूजिंग दैट। Look at that nice sear that's come on it. The answer is going to be very unexpected. COVID-19 happened and I thought the world might be ending. And I have to do what I have been dreaming about forever. And I just took a leap of faith and I left my hometown and came to the city of foodies and just went for it. So one of my friends encouraged me a lot, who knew. All my friends who basically eaten my food, they did warn me that it's something extremely difficult and the chicken is ready. They did. It took, at home, it will probably take a little longer. It will take about 7 minutes at home on a pan. It's practice. So जैसे मैं भी गॉर्डन रैमजी की रेसिपीज ट्राई करती हूँ तो गॉर्डन रैमजी जैसे थोड़ी बना लेती हूँ मैं कि गॉर्डन रैमजी इज नॉट इनसिक्योर दैट पीपल विल टेक हिज प्लेस। हर एक की अपनी जगह होती है और हाथ का टेस्ट होता है और प्रैक्टिस, लाइक somebody might be able to make it way better than me and I hope they do. I mean the whole point is to spread good food. So the second recipe is a very quick corn salad. This is going to take 5 minutes to make. We have mayo, we have lemon, we have jalapeno peppers, we have feta cheese, we have some parsley and a little bit of vinegar. We will add some sweet corn and then we will chop some colorful bell peppers. Healthy भी बनाना होता है ना खाना, सिर्फ गन तो नहीं खाना होता. So this is a very quick salad recipe that I have just made specially for the Sunday cooking episode. The biggest hurdle is not being able to procure products. आपको आप एक recipe बनाते हैं, उसके लिए आपको एक specific product चाहिए and you can't keep changing because then the taste is compromised. It's difficult to get things. It's मैं कभी दुबई से मंगवानी पड़ती हैं, फिर imports बंद हो जाते हैं, फिर मैं कराची से मंगवाती हूँ, इस्लामाबाद से मंगवाती हूँ, so that is the biggest hurdle. It's very expensive and of course you can't make excuses to the customer. उनको तो नहीं पता होता कि आपके क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है. अब इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा पर्पल कैबेज डाल रही हूँ just to add a little color. So पर्पल कैबेज होता है, एक का थोड़ा पर्पलिश रेड होता है, that's called radicchio. डिफरेंट कलर्स के कैबेज आते हैं और मैं इसमें थोड़ी सी zucchini भी डालूंगी. I'm going to make this as healthy as possible. अब zucchini एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो पाकिस्तान में हम सोचते हैं कि बस सिर्फ इसका सालन ही बन सकता है. But in the West, zucchini is used. Just make sure that it's washed properly because there are pesticides that people use. मैं सब्जी और फ्रूट जब धोती हूँ, I will soak it in some vinegar water for a little while. उससे pesticide बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाता है. अब इसमें थोड़ा jalapeno डाल रही हूँ to add a little kick to it. Now I'm going to finely chop some parsley. इससे fresh सा taste आ जाता है. This salad is basically a fun, healthy salad which is going to have nice color. Finally, we will put some feta cheese. अब हमारे यहाँ पे हम feta cheese खुद बनाते हैं. बट बाज़ार में अब लोकल बहुत अच्छा मिल जाता है, सो यू कैन यूज़ फेटा चीज़। आपको कोई और चीज़ पसंद है, पार्मेज़ान पसंद है, आप वो डाल दें। थोड़ा सा हम इसके लिए ड्रेसिंग बनाते हैं। मैंने थोड़ा सा मेयो लिया, उसमें थोड़ा सा वाइट विनेगर डाला। आई विल पुट अ लिटिल लेमन जूस। थोड़ा सा इसमें सॉल्ट डाल लें, इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करें। अब ये ड्रेसिंग भी आपकी मर्जी है। यू वांट टू ऐड अ लिटिल मस्टर्ड टू दिस, यू वांट टू ऐड सम स्पाइस। We can absolutely add peanut butter. I think that's a great idea. मस्टर्ड कोई सा भी डाल सकते हैं, डिजॉन मस्टर्ड डाल सकते हैं, that tastes very good. और again for a little spice, I'm going to add a little sriracha sauce. और इस सबको मिक्स किया, and we have a nice little spicy sauce, which we will drizzle on top. And let's mix the salad up. और ये हम अपने चिकन के साथ साइड की तरह देंगे। You can use any kind of preferred, आप घी यूज कर सकते हैं, आप बटर यूज कर सकते हैं। Here is the salad. Can I take a little taste? Mexican flavors आ रहे हैं उसमें। So we put a little salad on the side of the chicken. And we can put on some parmesan on top. This is a healthy. आप अगर डाइट पे हैं तो भी ये आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है। काम से वापस आए, आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, आपने क्विकली चिकन ग्रिल किया, थोड़ा सैलेड बनाया, एंड यू हैव अ हेल्दी। तो फॉर माई थर्ड रेसिपी, जो एक्चुअली एपेटाइज़र है, और आप इसको अगर आपके घर कोई पार्टी पे आ रहा है, आप तब भी बना सकते हैं। सो हमने ओबरजीन लिया, उसको काटेंगे हम। और बैंगन एक ऐसी सब्जी है जिसकी हमारी सोसाइटी में इज्जत ही नहीं है कोई। इसके साथ इट्स अ वर्सेटाइल सब्जी। सो इसके ऊपर हम थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट डालेंगे और वी विल बेक दिस फॉर 20 minutes at 160 degrees. Again, like all recipes, आपके oven के ऊपर थोड़ा सा change होता है, आपको adjust करना पड़ता है accordingly. But I have baked it. I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes at 160 degrees. थोड़ा सा olive oil डाल रही हूँ मैं for the color absolutely, and थोड़ा सा olive oil का flavor भी आ जाता है. So this will now go into the oven for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is up. हमारे बैंगन अच्छे तरह से ग्रिल हो गए हैं. As you can see, they've dehydrated a little bit. They're going to be very nice and moist. अब इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे थोड़ा मैरिनारा. This is marinara sauce. मैं एक दिन रेसिपी में आपको marinara sauce भी आसान वाली बनाना सिखाऊंगी. This makes for a good hors d'oeuvre, a good starter. इसके ऊपर हम अच्छे से mozzarella cheese डालेंगे, which is going to make this really delicious. So crispy aubergine with melted cheese, and I will top it off with some sun-dried tomatoes. ये भी हमारा in-house ही है. We make the sun-dried tomatoes ourselves. We don't use bottled. Now this has to go back into the oven for about 5 minutes. हमारा चीज मेल्ट हो चुका है. Here you go. ये देख लें चीज़ अच्छे से इसको भी आप अपनी मर्जी से आपको अगर मैरिनारा सॉस नहीं पसंद आप पेस्टो सॉस डाल लें आप ऊपर हैलोपेनियो ऐड कर सकते हैं आप रेड चिली फ्लेक्स ऐड कर सकते हैं अगर आपको स्पाइस पसंद है बी एडवेंचरस बी यू नो अगर टेक्निक आपको आ गई है तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं इसके साथ So it's time to dig into what we've cooked today. This is the chicken coated in pistachio and then the corn salad and baked aubergine. These are all recipes that I made specially for this episode of the Sunday Times. Lekin every Sunday you can come and have these as part of our specials menu. Let's see, and I hope you will try this and let me know in comments how it came out. It is so juicy and a little Mexican touch to the salad, and this is going to add a little different flavor to the whole dish. You guys have to try this at home. And now I'm going to have the aubergine and I want to have it all in one go. So I'm going to pick it up in my hand. I'm going to have all this yummy cheese and sun-dried tomato. Thank you so much Sunday Times for being here. I really enjoyed making these recipes and I hope your audience will enjoy making them too. Thank you.